Today we're going to talk about microscopic anatomy of bone, and the goal of this video is to describe differences between spongy and compact bone. So where are spongy bone and compact bone found? The outer layer of bone is made of tough connective tissue called periosteum. It is the location of muscle attachment and bone repair. And beneath the periosteum is a thick layer of compact bone. At the ends of the long bones, the spongy layer is beneath the compact bone. So in this image, I've identified the periosteum and the compact bone, and then the spongy bone at the ends. Here's an illustration contrasting spongy and compact bone. So, how do spongy and compact bone differ? Spongy bone is a lattice of trabeculae, which means little beams. These are found along lines of stress for perfect resistance from compression. Between the trabeculae are spaces that are filled with bone marrow or blood vessels. Now, compact bone is arranged in cylinders called osteons. And osteons are arranged in concentric circles called lamellae. And lamellae surround a central, or it's sometimes called haversian, canal that contains blood vessels and nerves. The central canals, or the haversian canals, are connected by these perforating canals that run perpendicularly. The perpendicular canals are called Volkmann's canals. Let's finish up this video by talking about the types and functions of specialized bone cells. Osteocytes are mature bone cells that make up the majority of the bone structure. Osteocytes are connected with tentacle-like canaliculi. Canaliculi connect all bone cells, allowing them to receive nutrients and remove waste. Osteoclasts and osteoblasts line the haversian canals and the surfaces of the compact and spongy bone. Osteoclasts break down bone, and osteoblasts produce new bone. A good way for you to remember the difference between osteoclasts and osteoblasts is that osteoblasts build bone. Blast and build both have the letter B in them. There are those tentacle-like canaliculi structures. To sum up, spongy bone contains large spaces, while compact bone is made of column-shaped osteons. Specialized bone cells build and destroy bone, while canaliculi keep the bone cells connected to receive nutrients.